Klara, I was just about to start integrating a hosted catalog. Can you explain to me exactly how that works?
Sure, Ben. Hosted catalogs work a little differently than punch-out catalogs, but I can explain the process to you. Before you get started with integrating a hosted catalog, there are a few important requirements that need to be covered. Let me list the steps for you. Active business relationship. You need to make sure there is an active business relationship with the supplier. Without this relationship, you can't send a request for the catalog. If the supplier is not yet registered with their company profile in the wescale network, you must send them an invitation. Published content profile. The hosted catalog is checked on the supplier side against a content profile you select. Only catalog items that meet the requirements of this profile will be included in the final catalog version. You can only select published content profiles. Catalog per subscription per country. A hosted catalog must be requested to separately for each country because different currencies and tax rates apply per country. Make sure you select the right country in the form. If you need more information on how to fulfill the requirements, it's best to watch these existing training videos first.
Okay, I understand that. Where do I find the option to request the catalog?
Go to Management and then to Content. You'll find the provision requests there. Once you're there, click on New Provisioning Request. This will open a form where you can enter the necessary information.
All right. What information do I need to fill in?
You should enter the necessary catalog data and the content profile. Optionally, you can also add a message to the supplier. The content profile is important because the catalog is checked against it during the import on the supplier side. Only catalog items that match the content profile are imported.
Got it. And what happens next?
Once the supplier has accepted your request, you'll be notified of any status changes. There's another special feature when it comes to approving hosted catalogs. Some catalogs, for example those that are migrated from the Meplato Catalog Cloud to wescale catalogs, do not need to be approved manually.
That sounds practical. How does it work?
These catalogs are automatically approved without you having to do anything. The system is already set for automatic approval. As soon as the catalog has been imported and checked, it is approved directly. Once it's possible to customize approval workflows, you can also select other options in the form. But for now, the system takes care of these steps for you.
That saves a lot of time.
Absolutely, and it ensures that the process is quick and efficient, especially with large catalogs.
Thank you so much, Klara. Now I understand how the whole hosted catalog process started.
You're welcome, Ben. Hosted catalogs are slightly different from punch-out catalogs, but the data you need to provide is the same as for punch-out catalogs.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again.